What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Well, I have reviewed this TCL RayNeo NXTWEAR S XR glasses almost 11 months ago, but it feels like a few days ago because I've been using a TCL NXTWEAR S for the past 11 months and I've enjoyed, I should say delightfully enjoyed using TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses. Well, the product that I have reviewed 11 months ago was a prototype, and at that time TCL was getting ready to release it on Kickstarter. And now after they have released it on Kickstarter, as many of you have already got and many of you have been thinking about getting a TCL NXTWEAR S, I have received a lot of requests from you to review this TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses. Okay, as usual, we'll start from unboxing, but before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, these days, Thea, my girlfriend, does all the unboxing thing. So I wish you will appreciate her hard work. Okay, as I have already reviewed this TCL NXTWEAR S 11 months ago, this is going to be a long-term review. But if you haven't watched that video or if you're unaware about this product, then there are a few things I need to mention about TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses. XR means extended reality, and TCL NXTWEAR S extended glasses is the one that I prefer when it comes to extended reality world. TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses creates a 210-inch screen 6 meters away from us, and the screen offers impressive visual experience. TCL NXTWEAR S has 49 ppd pixel per degree, which is one of the highest among all the XR glasses available on the market, and offers a very sharp picture quality. Color reproduction is amazing. Flagship class, top of the line, vivid and vibrant yet natural. Yeah, these TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses are equipped with stereo sound setup. The speakers offers a directional sounds, and it has an unique whisper mode which can safeguard privacy. So even if someone is sitting beside us, they are not gonna listen to anything what we are listening to or enjoying. So I should say TCL has also done a great job with the speakers, and I am truly satisfied with the performance. Well, there are three things very important about TCL NXTWEAR S that I really like. This TCL NXTWEAR S is plug and play. Well, it doesn't matter whether you have an iPhone 15 series or iPhone 13 series. Any iPhones you have, you can use TCL NXTWEAR S with your smartphone. If you have an iPhone 15 series, then bang, it's truly plug and play. You don't need anything. What you have to do is to use the provided cable, because iPhone 15 series comes with USB-C port, and if you have an iPhone 12, 13 or 14 series or any other iPhone which comes with a lightning port, then don't worry. Yeah, there are many different type of dongles which can be used to connect with any Apple devices which comes with a lightning port. You can also use the TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses with any Android devices. It doesn't matter whether it's a Nothing phone or a Xiaomi or any other smartphones or Android tablets can be used. But remember one thing, your smartphone device or tablet, whatever you are going to use, have to support display output through USB-C. If your device supports display output through USB-C, then yeah, bang, you can use TCL NXTWEAR S without any hassle. Okay, there is one thing people always care about, that's gaming latency. I can guarantee without any hesitation that I have enjoyed playing games with my Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 5 and many other gaming consoles without any latency. Yeah, there is no latency. So yeah, if you are gonna play games using these TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses, you will also be able to do that. But there is a thing. If you want to use your TCL NXTWEAR S glasses along with your PlayStation or Nintendo Switch, then you have to have a USB-C to HDMI dongle. Yeah, the dongle is required for PlayStation, Switch and some other devices which doesn't support display output through USB-C. Okay, if you have a Samsung device, then it's great because you can use Samsung Desk without any issue. It's truly plug and play. So now I can play games or enjoy movies anywhere, anytime, any place. Also, in my previous video about this TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses, I have clearly mentioned when I carry this along with me, I feel like I'm carrying my office along with me. Cause whenever I wanna check any file, any email or any presentation or any heavy data file, I can do that because I have 140-inch screen moving with me. Yeah, there is another thing that I like about this TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses. This one doesn't come with any battery. There is no battery inside it, so I don't have to worry about, the battery will get drained. What can I do? How can I recharge? Well, this one gets powered by the device that you are gonna connect it with. So that's very easy. One more time, plug and play. Well, finally, the most important thing about this TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses is this one is actually UV Rain Shield certified. So this one doesn't have harmful blue rays, and that actually is gonna help you from eye strain or any type of fatigue from using these TCL XR glasses. So we can use this one without being worried about anything. Well, before I wrap up, there are a few other things I would like to mention. Most of the brands who offers XR glasses on the market doesn't care about the people who has myopia. But TCL does. Great. Kudos to TCL. They offers a set of glasses which can be used for the people who wears glasses. So we can actually take this set to an eye hospital or an eye care center where we can get the glasses ready for us, like with our prescribed power and everything. And TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses has an official partner, Lensology. We can contact them as an alternative solution for magnetic prescription lenses online, and this supports global delivery. And this set is nothing cheap. This prescribed glass set also has a very good premium quality. One more time, kudos to TCL. You can see TCL NXTWEAR XR glasses actually comes with an extra shade. This shade offers a better visual experience in a bright lighting environment, like this studio or under sunlight or somewhere where we have very high or bright ambient light, then we can use this shade. This shade gets attached to the XR glasses through some magnets, so it's very easy to put on and even easier to put off. Well, sometimes I use these XR glasses without the shade, especially when I'm in a crowded environment or in some places where I wanna be aware about what's happening around me or I wanna know about my surroundings, then I just put it off. Without the shade, this TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses are also usable, but with the shade, the shade actually blocks out all the surroundings and gives us a personal home theater feelings. I think this is really a great thing that TCL has thought about all sorts of different people and different type of use case scenarios. The nose bridge they have attached it to these XR glasses is one of the best in its class. The nose bridges are really super comfortable. I should use the word comfy, and we can change the position based on our requirements, like based on the shape and size of our nose and our feel. Different people have different type of feelings and different type of requirements, and also TCL has added an extra set of nose bridge inside the box, so even if someone doesn't like this, he or she has another option. Okay, even before I have started doing this review video, I have thought about this carefully. I'm not gonna repeat the same things that I have said in my first video, but I know some of you may not have watched my first video. TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses goes very bright, and we actually have a dial to control the brightness. The brightness controller is on the right stick, and the volume controller, there is another dial to control volume, is on the left stick. Okay, after using these TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses for almost a year now, my verdict is I'm in love with this. And as you can see that I'm here to do a long-term review. That means, TCL NXTWEAR S XR glasses offers very good value for money, and you should go and grab one if you're in the market for a set of XR glasses, period. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, then go ahead, subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.